Find out the Lewis structure for PCl5. Lewis structure for PCl5. Okay, PCl5, how many total valence electron?
40.
40. Push plus 5, 7 times 5, 35 plus 5 gives you 40. So what is the central atom? PCl5.
Phosphorus.
P is the central atom, so you got a P here. Okay, chlorine, 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 5. Okay, so then you put 6 all around, so that gives you 40. 40. 40. Guess what? How many in the central atom? 10. So this is one of the exceptions. 10 electrons for the central atoms, which is more than 8, but is stable. This is one of the exceptions in Oxford.
So is that the only one, the only exception, or is
Well,
that?
very good question. So anything here, P with P, anything with the phosphorus. PCl5, PPr5, PI5, PF5, all of them with the phosphorus.
So all the P5s?
Yes, anything with the P, anything with the P. Okay. And the sulfur also has, we'll have an example.
So like PF and P would.
P and yes, P and yes. And silicon also has. P, yes, and we'll have one more example, yes, but P, yes, and yes, I. So sometimes they have it, this is one exception. There are a few exceptions as you go higher level, but for this now, so you have a 5 electron group around the central atoms, okay? Now, when you got a 5,
Trigonal bipyramidal.
so 3 stay as this, it's the planar, plane of the paper with 120 degrees, because this is like a BCl3 we talked about. Now you have 4th group here, 4th group here, okay? How many angles with this one?
It's 90.
Okay, pyramid here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have another here. There's a pyramid here. The pyramid means There's a repulsive force between this. The repulsive force because they cannot come closer. There's a repulsive force. The repulsive force. Repulsive force. So they're kind of interacting, making a pyramid. Same thing here, interacting, making a pyramid. How many pyramids total here? 2 pyramids. Okay? So this is bipyramidal. Trigonal and bipyramidal. Okay, and you have two different types of atoms. These are axial, one axis, north and south axis. Right? These are in the equatorial region. So they are called equatorial atoms. These are called axial atoms. Okay. So that's the 5 groups looks like.
And the angle is 90 degrees?
Look right here. Okay, so 5 electron groups. So you have 5 electron groups. This is called trigonal bipyramidal. And the angle is, this one is 90 and 120. Okay. And the atoms are axial and equatorial. Axial atoms and equatorial atoms. Okay. All right, let's do one last. Yes, F6. Draw the Lewis. Yes, F6. So you end up with 4 in here. In the plane, one is down, 2 up, one is up. 6 electron groups. The 6 electron groups looks like this. 4 here. 1 at the top. How many angles it has with this? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Same thing, how many angles? 4 angles. Total of 8 angles. 4 at the top with this, 4 at the bottom with this. Total of 8 angles. It's called octahedral. So when you got octahedral, the angle is here, 90 and 180. Here. So this is octahedral. Okay. And the bone angle is 90 and 180. So octahedral. So 6 electron group. Look at how many groups are around here. But sometimes it is confusing here. You have to do the Lewis. You cannot just say, well, you have a 6 group or 5 group from outside. Like ammonia, remember here in ammonia looks like a 3 group. 3 hydrogen around the nitrogen. But there is a lone pair. So unless you do the Lewis structure, you cannot figure out the total groups around the central atom. You may mess up those shape in the angles. It's very important to the Lewis. If they have a lone pair of the central atoms, you add more groups around. Ignore this one. Okay. These are the 5 basic steps. Let's take few minutes bio break, and then we'll talk about the last one about the gas. Okay. Let's make 40 minutes bio break. Bye.